Good morning, Savers. I'm so happy to see your face. It's going to be a great day because you're here. Thanks for joining us on our morning walk. We get our body moving, get our minds right. Looks like it's going to be a kind of cloudy, drizzly, which, is okay. Simple and savored, of course, it's all about simple habits, creating this more savored or savored life. And there's just so many ideas and so many thoughts. I'd love to share this quote for you today around love. This is Helen Hunt Jackson. When love is at its best, one loves so much that he cannot forget. Well, everybody has a quote and their perspective on it. I'm not sure exactly what that means, but it's about love, so we'll keep that. We need more of that in the world today. I'm just kind of thinking about times I can still, I think when Tanya and I first met, a lot of love going on there, and I can still feel moments when we were together. So if that's what it's talking about, definitely a truth to that for sure. I'd love to hear your thoughts, your comments. If you've had those experiences, put your comments in the comments. Welcome to COVID Coffee Corner. All right, grab a coffee and sit in the parking lot. Tip for the day, just around, different habits, things to think of that you can add to your routines to help reduce stress and have a little less stress. And I think ultimately for a savored life, that's what I think here is to be happy. And, times can definitely affect that. So I was getting in the car, heading out to pick up coffee, and I was like, it's raining. I'm a sun worshiper from Kansas. It very seldom rained during the day. It's kind of always rained at night. So being in the Northwest, winter has arrived, and it can kind of get you down. So so the tip is really just kind of reframing how you perceive things, how you look at things. We could see this as a dark, dreary, rainy day, or we can see it as, the earth is replenishing its water supplies. I love sitting in the car and just kind of watching the drizzle go down the front of the windshield. We sit on our back deck with blankets and read during the winter, and just a different way to kind of look at things through a positive lens. Love to hear your thoughts, ideas. If you do anything like that, definitely share them. Well, it is time to start thinking about wrapping up the garden season. Got a bunch of basil. I need to make pesto this week. I may make that. Tomatoes are starting to come to an end, and the potatoes, we're going to dig those up. They may have been in there too long. The stems are all dead, and there should be potatoes in there, so we'll check those out here pretty soon too.